guys, burn jackpot shades. Rest of none. I need to replace 2 of these valves in the washroom, and I'm coming to Home Depot. And I finally found the valve. And is this right? 16.5 for one valve? This can't be. It's been a while since I purchased any of these, but in any case, I also found this little repair kit. And since it's my valve that's actually bad, see, that's it right there. And they're $3 each. You figure out the math on what you're gonna save. All right, so let me open it up real quick to show you what. So there it is. I opened it up, and this I believe should be this. So I'm gonna buy the whole thing, all of them. I'm gonna try to replace this first, see how that works. And if it doesn't work, then I'll go ahead and change these out.
Hey guys, so just remember to shut off either your main water valve
okay, so we're gonna attempt to
start the project,
we'll open this
or
up.
if you have another valve that you can cut off that is connected directly to the plumbing that you're going to be working
go inside of here and make sure I get all the rubber out. I don't know if you can see the rubber in there, the damaged rubber. So I went from the back end, pushed from the back to push the rubber out with a little screwdriver or something. Here's the rubber, got that out.
So guys, I'm going to have to do an overlay here and walk you through this because some other sound playing in the background. Alright, so let's unscrew. Let's take the screw out of the handle, unscrew it from the stem, disconnect from the stem over here, the old stem. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and take the new stem, kind of line that up. They are the same. And now we're going to go ahead and start making our connection, putting everything back together. Handle goes on. You don't have to necessarily do it in this order. You could put the plastic pieces together and then screw the handle, or however you want to do it. Sorry we took it off camera, but just basically we're screwing the screw in. Alright, now we're going to assemble these 2 pieces here, just making sure that you're making the connection on the right end. They're actually different sizes, so it's only going to go one way. Alright, and then put the washer in on the other end. Okay, we got it pushed in. I'm being a little dramatic here. I mean, once it's in, it's in. And then when you make your connection, it's going to push it down even further anyway. I just want to make sure. So I'm going through here to make sure it's all the way down. Okay. And just push it around the edges. Make sure everything is down here and tucked. Okay. Right now we can pull these pieces together here. Okay, so we have the old washer in there. We want to make sure that we dig that out. Make sure it's totally clear. Okay, now we can go ahead and put the new washer in. Now we can assemble everything back together. Okay. And now finally, we're about ready to remount this back on the wall. So here we can get some Teflon tape, wrap the male end that's coming out of the wall of the pipe, the existing pipe, before we screw this on. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we can do our connection.
Make sure that it's going to give you a good seal. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to screw this back on up against the wall. Wrench. I'm going to tighten that, and then I'm going to tighten the other part that I told you I was going to do as a... Okay guys, we got the water back on. The valves are shut off. We did the repair with the stems, and
we're going to go ahead and take back the other angle valves that we purchased from Home Depot, because now these are 100% good to go. That's going to do it for this video. See you in the next one. Give me a thumbs up and give me a subscription, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.